fact that the Israeli people have built something out of nothing for themselves is something for young Jews and all of us to be proud of.
An event like this is something perfect where you have diverse backgrounds all coming together for the singular idea.
Despite everyone's differences, you just come together as one.
It just goes to show how much of a homeland Israel really is to all Jews everywhere.
עסוק בעצמי לא טוב והבצחים שנחשים שמנסים למשוך בחוטים בבילן